Hello, I'm Pin. I don't know if you have ever eaten Japanese white bread. The taste is moist and softer than ordinary bread. And you can also feel the elastic of fiber in the mouth. Even the edge of the bread is as delicate and delicious. One of the main reasons why this bread is very soft is to add heavy cream and lots of cold water. Bread flour 5 gram. I use gram by kitchen scale, but I marked cup in the video. Sugar 50 gram. Salt 7 gram. Heavy creams 50 gram. Honey 10 gram. Yeast 6 gram. Cold water 270 gram. But I pour a little bit water in the dry yeast, then wake up the yeast. Then pour it in the dry ingredients and start stirring. At the beginning, you must use no speed to avoid dry powder splash out. After that, stir in a medium speed. Then add cold water. Don't pour it all at once, leave a little. And finally, increase or decrease according to the saturation of the dough. Then add the unsalted butter that's softened in advance. After adding butter, use no speed to slowly enter the dough. After that, stir them medium and high speed for about 5 to 10 minutes until the dough kneaded with butter is very soft. Not stick the ball under the hands. Pour a little edible oil or butter into the large bowl, mainly to help the dough easily remove from the mold. With grease on your hand, pour a little piece dough and slowly pour it until it becomes thinner and transparent stay. And that would be perfect dough. Just like this. Put the dough into the bowl and pay attention to the method. This is the key step to make the bread elastic. Cover plastic wrap and put in a warm place to ferment. Twice as big. finger stained with flour to check the fermentation state of the dough. If it doesn't lapse or rebound, this is perfect dough. Sprinkle flour on the man to prevent stickiness. Flatten the dough and get the air out. Then cut to 6 of small doughs. Remember, always get the air out of the doughs. Rolling it from top to bottom. Shape into a ball. Cover them with plastic wrap again and continue to ferment twice as big. Push down and get out of the air from the dough again. And roll the strip. Folding and compacting. Rolling the strip again. Then same from top to bottom and seal the ends. Spray oil or rub the butter into the toast mold and use a paper towel rub off excess grease. Put the rolled dough and arrange it neatly. Cover the lid and put it in a warm place. Continue ferment twice as big. This is perfect ferment state. Preheat oven 340 degrees. Put a bowl of hot water in the oven to help steam. After preheating, put the mold with dough into the middle and lower layer. Bake for 30 minutes. Take out from oven. Shake or vibrate the mold harder, and it can be easily out of the mold. Look at this light, beautiful golden. This is perfect. slice it with bread knife after cooling down. Look, the bread is super soft, too soft to cut. Please try it at home. Smells so good. If you like this video, please subscribe and thumbs up. Thank you. And thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.